ESEE knives are built to the highest standard of quality and durability. The ESEE-3 is one of the smallest knives offered by ESEE and has become a fan favorite thanks to its ergonomic design and uncontested durability. This knife features a 3.875 1095 steel blade designed for everything from firecrafting to food prep and measures in at 8.19 inches total. Its micarta handle scales and full-tang construction provide a sturdy grip and added strength for tasks that require lots from a knife. The ESEE-3 is also available in a premium variant made from CPM S35VN blade steel that features upgraded G10 handle scales, which have been contoured for added comfort and grip. All ESEE knives are made in the USA and are covered by the most incredible unlimited lifetime warranty. No questions asked. Do you have an ESEE-3? Let us know what you think of it in the comments. Add this amazing knife to your collection by clicking the link in the description. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.